And this one will be about the police officer exam, obviously. So, the police officer exam, I won't really explain to you the entire makeup of the exam, the entire of what's on it, or any of that sort, how long it is. I'm not going to explain that to you. You can probably just look that up simply. I'm going to go into depth with something a little bit different. So the police officer exam basically focuses on memory, facial recognition, and analyzing. The main police officer thing that you should be concerned about is memorization and analytical skills. The memorization is there to exist because when you get some sort of notice or some sort of identification of a criminal or any of the sort, any story, you have to be able to really speed read it and know what you're talking about. Another thing is facial recognition. They'll give you several images in which you have to remember faces as described by someone in a certain way. For example, tattoos, anything, jewelry, any certain things that are easy to spot are kind of that. You also have to have a basic knowledge of the law as well and what police officers can do and can't do, and most likely have studied criminology, criminal justice at some point in your life to assist you with this. The other side of it is a physical exam as well. You must be very good physically. Most likely, you will work out or do some kind of fitness program for yourself. Um, I would recommend a fitness plan right now, but I will not. If you want any recommendations about fitness from me, you'll have to inbox me, but for now I will continue talking about this exam. And the reason I have these things on this board, the NEOTY, is because that's a strategy for memorizing certain things that the police officers, the strategists, try to use. Um, they use NEOT, as I call it, because you look at your when, you look at your where, you look at your who, isn't Doctor Who. You look at your what, and you look at your why. See, in the OTY, all these are the endings of all of these, as you can see. And this is basically what you have to remember. As a general strategy for memorization, there's also a thing called association. When you associate words and meanings and sounds and tastes, textures, whatever you can find. And association is one of the easiest way to memorize something real quick. That's basically all you have to know for the police officer exam. Strategically speaking, it's a lot of memorization. If you're interested, you might want to start studying now, even before you've started learning anything about it. That's basically the general advice on that exam. If you have any questions, just ask.